Okay, guys, I got here some parboiled rice. I have some liquid Maggi seasoning. I have black pepper. I have sliced mushrooms. I have also unsalted butter. And here I have a half an onion that I sliced up in small pieces, but in slices. I have about 5 cloves of garlic, mashed garlic, fresh parsley, fresh thyme, and chicken bouillon. So let's get started, guys. So the first thing we're gonna do is grab our pan and put a little bit of olive oil. And then we are going to add our sliced up onion. And we are going to brown up these onions, guys. So the whole time we are going to be cooking this on medium low. Okay? On medium low. Give these onions, I'm telling you, some love, and it's going to give it right back to you. So do not walk away from it. You don't want them burned. You want them pretty brown, but not burnt. When I tell you these onions are going to give your rice such a flavor, trust me on this. You see this? This is what you want right here. They are brown up. You're going to remove it from the fire. Now I went ahead and added a little bit of the olive oil to the pan and my fresh thyme. So here I'm frying up a little bit my thyme, and then I'm going to remove it from the oil. I just want my oil flavored. And also that time we are going to add back to the recipe later on. Okay, guys? So just remove the thyme at this point. And here I put 1 tablespoon of butter. I let melt just a little bit, and then I remove the rest, which the rest we are going to also use later on. So that's what you want. You want your butter a little bit brown with the oil before you add your mushrooms. And I'm telling you, all these little techniques is just going to be flavor and top of flavor. I promise you. I promise you, this rice was really, really good. Really good. And I'm pretty sure if you like mushroom, you are going to enjoy this rice as well. So here I am, as you can see, sauteing my mushrooms. They're getting already that little nice brownish color. Right? So now I'm going to season my mushrooms. I added some black pepper. Then I'm going to add some liquid magic seasoning. And guys, just add a little bit at a time, because later on while you're creating the broth, you're going to get the chance to adjust your seasoning if you feel it needs more. So you could always add, but you cannot take away. Just always remember that rule. So just a little bit at a time. So here, as you can see, I added back my fresh thyme to the recipe. Okay, and I'm sauteing my mushroom. Look how pretty they are. Now I'm adding my fresh garlic, and I'm gonna saute all this stuff, guys. So while we sauteing this beautiful mushroom, and I just added some chicken bouillon. If you have not subscribed to my channel yet, guys, what are you waiting for? Hit that subscribe button, that like button for me. Please hit that like button, guys. That helps me a lot with the YouTube rhythm. And also, guys, a lot of you forgetting to click on that bell icon that is going to notify you every time I upload a new video. So you could get what you gonna get, guys, when you do that? The front seat. Okay, I have a lot of great recipes coming your way, so do not forget to click that bell icon. Okay, guys? Also here I went ahead and added 1 cup of the parboiled rice. Okay, and what I'm gonna do, guys, as you can see, I'm mixing it together. And what we're gonna do, we are going to be roasting our rice a little bit. And what that does, guys, when you roast your rice, it just brings like a nutty flavor out of the rice, which is just add more flavor to this rice. Okay, trust me when I tell you. And the whole time your fire is on medium low, guys, on medium low. So now I went ahead and added 2 cups of water. So to each cup of rice, you're gonna double the amount of liquid. Okay, so I did 1 cup of rice, the parboiled rice, and now I added 2 cups of water. And this is the chance you get to taste the broth right now and decide if you want to adjust your seasoning. If not, guys, let it cook. And what you do at that point, you are going to put your fire on low. Okay, on low after you see that the water drains off right now. You see right here, the water had drained off. You're going to go ahead and turn your fire on low. Do not forget that step, guys. And now you're going to cover it and let it cook for at least another 10 minutes. So here, your rice is pretty much done. And when you taste your rice and it's already cooked, that's when you're going to add what, guys? Those onions that I told you is going to give that rice a kick, and the rest of that butter and some fresh diced up, as you can see, parsley. Okay, so those 3 ingredients you add it at the end when your rice is completely cooked. Oh my God, guys. And when I tell you, especially those onions, like, oh my God, it just it just brought this recipe a couple of notch up. I'm telling you, I really enjoy this. I ate these with my smothered turkey wings, which I also already posted that recipe. So you want to give. I ate this with that. It was awesome. And then the next day I ate this rice by itself with some sliced tomato for lunch. And guys, when I tell you I didn't miss nothing, it was just delicious. I enjoy each bite of it. Okay, so I hope you get this rice try and taste it for the holidays, guys, especially with that turkey. You will not regret it. It is delicious. All right, thank you for the support, and I will see you on the next recipe. Have a blessed day.